Social interactions require awareness and understanding of the behavior of others. Mirror neurons, calls representing an action by self and others, have been proposed to be integral to the cognitive substrates that enable such awareness and understanding. Mirror neurons of primate neocortex represent skilled motor tasks, but it is unclear if they are critical for the actions they embody, enable social behaviors, or exist in non-cortical regions. We demonstrate that the activity of individual PMID neurons in the host hypothalamus represent aggression performed by self and others. We use the genetically encoded mirror TRAP strategy to functionally interrogate these aggression mirroring neurons. We find that their activity is essential for fighting, and that forced activation of these cells triggers aggressive displays by mice, even toward their mirror image. Together, we have discovered a mirroring center in an evolutionary ancient region that provides a subcortical cognitive substrate essential for social behavior.